Presenting the Samsung Galaxy S20 FE. The phone has display of 16.40 cm and Quad HD Plus resolution 1080 by 2400 FHD Plus. Dynamic AMOLED display on 6.5-inch. The phone also has capacitive touchscreen. It has rear LED flash and triple rear camera setup. OIS f1.8 wide rear camera and 8MP OIS f2.4 telecamera plus 12MP f2.2 ultra wide plus 12MP 2PD. It has 32MP 2PD OIS f2.2 front punch hole camera. It comes with 4500 mAh battery, non-removable. It has expandable memory up to 1 TB and 128 GB internal memory. 8 GB RAM and microSD card slot, expandable up to 1 TB. It supports dual SIM and dual Nano SIM. 4G plus 4G dual and hybrid SIM slot. It runs on Android 10.0 operating system. It is powered by 2 GHz Octa-Core processor and Exynos 990. It also features touchscreen, fingerprint scanner, and rear camera. Dual_SIM, face unlock and LED flash. The delivery box contains handset, non-removable battery included and earphones. Travel adapter, USB cable and user manual. Product comes with standard brand warranty. For further information visit the product detail page.